Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is a video on first time tax returns. It can happen in two situations when you have recently arrived in Australia and started working, or you're living in Australia for a long time but you have just started working now. Maybe you are 21, you finished your uni and then you started working in a job. So this is the situation and what to do like when you are lodging tax return for the first time. You must have some questions. What can we claim, or like will I get my full tax back? See, you need to understand a basic concept. Basic concept is um, till 18,200, which is the tax-free threshold, you will get all of your tax refund. So if you earned till 18,200, you will get all your tax, whatever you paid, you back. Normally, when people start working and they are lodging tax for the first time, normally their income is less than that. People do earn more, but this is I'm saying normally. Normally, when their income is less, so they will get whatever tax they have paid, one or two or 3,000 or 4,000, whatever, they will get their full tax back. It is not a magic, it is not a rocket science. So you just have to remember that 18,200 you're going to get full tax back, irrespective of if you are international student or you are a citizen or a permanent resident, does not matter. So this is a myth. The myth is that first timers get all their tax back. There is no law, there is no ATO rules that if you're lodging tax for the first time, you will get all the refund. There is no rule like that. For example, you you did business first year and you made very high income. You made $200,000 income. What is it, tax free? No, tax free part is still 18,200. So if your friend says that you are lodging for the first time, you should get your full tax back, that's a myth. You are getting a full tax back only because your income is less than tax-free threshold. It has got nothing to do you're lodging first time or second time. Even if you're lodging for the 10th time or 20th time, but your income is less than the threshold, you will get all of your tax back. Now, for new arrivals in Australia, this is a very important concept. Are they entitled to full year tax-free threshold? Now, 18,200 is a full year tax-free threshold, which means if you have lived for entire 12 months, only then you are entitled to 18,200 tax-free threshold. What if you have recently arrived? What if you arrived in the month of May and your lodging tax in July because financial year ends on 30th of June? Will you be entitled to 18,200? The answer is no. Tax office website has given clear examples that if you have recently arrived and you are resident for part year, then you will be eligible for only part year tax free threshold. How is it calculated? If you can see on the screen, you can see. So, so basically your threshold will be reduced to 13,464 plus 4,736 will be apportioned based on the month you arrived. Okay, if you see that example, the person became resident or he came to Australia on 17th of April, so the threshold will be 13,400 plus this into 3 divided by 12, so comes to 14,000. So basically your threshold 13,464 is guaranteed. Even if you come in May, even if you come in June, even if you arrive one day before end of financial year, 13,400 is guaranteed, and on top of that it will be calculated based on the months you are in Australia. The conclusion is that non-resident people who are non-residents, people on student who are on student visa for less than 6 months duration course, they are non-resident, or some tourist visa, or some foreign visitors, they are non-resident, or even on working holiday visa, they are not they these people, they don't have a tax-free threshold facility, so they pay tax even on $1 of the income. Okay, newcomers to Australia, only first year tax-free threshold will be adjusted, not for the new, not for the second or third or fourth year. If it is Australian local who was studying earlier in school or uni and he is doing job for the first time, he started working first time, then you don't need to adjust the threshold because he's living in Australia for a long time. He has not recently arrived. So if you're a local student, local kid who's just started the workforce, then you will be entitled to 18,200 threshold even in the first year, although you have worked only for a month or for a day. Okay, the rule is, the problem happens when international students who are recently arrived, they do not adjust their threshold. So please ensure, if you are an international student, you have recently arrived, you are not in Australia in the first year of coming here, then you need to adjust your threshold accordingly. Thanks for watching. This was a short video on newcomers to Australia, how to adjust tax-free threshold. Um, Hope you liked it. Uh, if you can share this video with your friends, it would be a favor, it would be great. Um, if you can register on our website, you will get $20 upfront and 5 tips to get 5,000 refund. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.